Up you too. Sorry, I've been practicing. Alright, so today we're doing, so I just made a security EDC with these handcuffs. Now I'm going to talk about these handcuffs. So I got these a couple days ago. And they're pretty good. They have been holding up since I just got them, but they go on both hands. Then I have to double lock them. And I'll talk about how to double lock them in a second after I double lock them. I'm only double locking one. If I can double lock this one, I will. Alright. So they're double locked. No way of getting out. Unless if you have the key. So you slide them all the way down. Take the key. You slide it one way. Kind of hard if you have your other hand handcuffed. But yeah, I'm trying to stay in the camera view. Just boom. Then boom. And they're off. And that's what I get. That's what I get all the time. So then I have to come over to my lamp, grab my backup key, unhook this one, go over here, go over here, then unlock this one, and put that key back. Yes, I'm about to move that key. Take that off. Now I'm going to talk about how these work. So I said I'm double locking them. So on, and then, alright, about this one thing. People keep doing, that's not double lock. This is double lock. People just think one click, then two click is double lock. No. No. How you double lock? So you have them like this. You put them on the person. Then you come over here. See that little metal thing? That hole? And then I have that like that. That will just go in. And then it's kind of hard to see the metal thing, but once I do that, it won't move at all. Then look at the other side. Moves. It won't even go. Moves. It won't even go. How to turn that off? Let me do it on the other side. So again, see that? No, I'm not giving away anything. They already had a video on this. And then that. Like that. Sorry about that. And then how do you take them off? See that hole right there? Just stick the key in. See, I can't turn it to open it. Let me show you on this one. See how I can't turn the key to open it? I'll prove it. That's how you open it. So, see the key? And it opens. And the other side didn't. Then I'll show you the other side. So it is kind of hard when I'm looking at the camera. Then it's in. It won't budge at all. That way. So how I turn it off double lock is, see how that way it's unlocked? That's locked. You have to turn it like that. Then you can open it. Then it's kind of hard to get the key out. Sometimes, if they're new. So that's my new handcuffs. And another cool feature is that I can actually do that now. And I have no pouch for them yet. No pouch. Sorry about that. Alright, that's my handcuff. And that extra key is just like the other key. It's just where I put it every single time. But, say just in case, if I put this key on there and accidentally put this key on there, it's locked forever. And I accidentally double lock it. Yes, that is something that you can do. See how I put this? Just with that, I can easily stick the key in, turn it the other way to get it opened. Or I could just take the hook and yeah. But when I don't have it like that and I accidentally get it in, like when it's like this, it's kind of hard too. Because now watch. I can't unlock it. See how the keys are like? Can't unlock it. Okay, I can double lock it. But again, I have to go out, grab the extra key. I'm probably going to put this somewhere new since I just told you mine. Stick it in. Double lock off. Open. Take the key out. Just like that. That's going to be the end of this video. So, bye. And you have been arrested.